Hello, children. You are welcome to the digital classes of Christ Church Convent Higher Secondary School, Gadawara. I am Amit Toshniwal, your accounts teacher. This video is for class 12th. Subject is accounts. Chapter number 10, Redemption of Debentures, Part 4. We are discussing the last topic of this chapter in this video. Redemption of debentures by creating sinking fund. Children, to redeem the debentures, it's necessary to have enormous amount of capital, enormous amount of money with the company, so that debentures can be redeemed and it should not harm working capital of the company also. And for this there is a provision according to SEBI and the Companies Act of 2013 that companies have to create 25% of the redeemable debentures face value DRR. So DRR of 25% of the face value of redeemable debentures, and they have to invest 15% for specified security for a year, so that the money which is borrowed from the debenture holders, or means we say common public, it can be returned in time. Moreover, it should not disturb the financial condition that regards to working capital of the company should not be harmed. So for this, the one more method the company can adopt is to create sinking fund, which is created by the company every year, taking out a portion out of its gross profit and keeping it as a reserve. ये भी संभव हो सकता है ना? तो how much amount to be transferred to sinking fund every year? It can be decided and divided by using the annuity table. Annuity table means how much amount has to be paid annually for the redeemable debentures, and this amount is taken from a statement of PL and invested again in securities. So every year interest on investment and fund amount keeps on increasing, and at the time of the redemption, company finds it easy to make the payments. So you note that when sinking fund is created by the company, then no need to prepare DRR. Okay, so what may be the procedure for creating sinking fund of debentures redemption fund? So I will tell you the procedure first. Every year a certain amount is transferred to sinking fund from profits every year on the basis of annuity table that I already explained. Second step क्या होगी? जो अमाउंट होगा it has to be invested outside securities every year. ये second step होगा. Third step, interest which is received on these investment, it is reinvested along with annual funds amount, and this process repeatedly done till redemption of debentures. This is third step. Fourth step is, due to this process, what will happen? Sufficient amount will be available in sinking fund which can be used for the redemption of debentures. Fifth process, the year when company has to redeem its debenture, all the investment would be sold out. whatever profit or loss happens on the sale of investment, it is transferred to sinking fund. Then debentures are redeemed, and if any balance is left in debenture sinking fund, so that is transferred to GR यानी general reserve account when all the debentures have been redeemed. So this can be done. Okay. अब how to do accounting, तो पहली कंडीशन होगी तुम्हारे पास for setting aside the amount of profit for sinking fund. तो statement of PL account is debited to debenture sinking fund account. हमने प्रॉफिट निकाला और किस में ट्रांसफ़र कर दिया, सिंकिंग फंड में. सेकंड कंडीशन होगी इन्वेस्टिंग द अमाउंट. तो सिंकिंग फंड का पैसा निकाला हमने, इसलिए उसको डेबिट, और कहाँ जमा किया हमने उसको, टू बैंक. ठीक है. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट में ले जा रहे हैं हम, तो डिबेंचर सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक, बैंक से पैसा चला गया. थर्ड, इंटरेस्ट मिला इन्वेस्टमेंट पे, तो बैंक अकाउंट इज डेबिट टू, कहाँ से आया इंटरेस्ट से, तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट. फोर्थ एंट्री, जब तुम इंटरेस्ट को ट्रांसफ़र करोगे सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट में, तो वो अकाउंट डेबिट हो जाएगा. अभी क्रेडिट हुआ था क्योंकि फ़ायदा था. इंटरेस्ट ऑन debenture sinking fund investment account is debited to debenture sinking fund account. फिफ्थ एंट्री, सेल ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट, जिस साल तुमको रिडम्पशन करना है उस साल. बैंक अकाउंट इज डेबिट, बैंक में पैसा आएगा, इन्वेस्टमेंट चले जाएंगे, तो इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट हो जाएगा टू डिबेंचर सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट. सिक्स्थ एंट्री, for the transfer of balance in debenture sinking fund investment account to debenture sinking fund account. So for this what will happen, it will be transferred to debenture sinking fund account to close debenture sinking fund investment account. थोड़ा नाम आपको टफ लगते होंगे ये, लेकिन इनको ध्यान में रखना. अब कौन कौन सी कंडीशन हो सकती हैं. पहली कंडीशन, यदि जो डिबेंचर सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट है उसमें क्रेडिट बैलेंस है, तो क्रेडिट बैलेंस जब होगा तो इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट डिबेंचर सिंकिंग फंड से, और यदि डेबिट होगा तो जो तुमने क्रेडिट में एंट्री करी है उसकी जस्ट ऑपोजिट, यानी डिबेंचर सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट डेबिट टू डिबेंचर सिंकिंग फंड इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट. ये उल्टा, डेबिट और क्रेडिट जब दो साइड अलग हैं तो टोटल ऑपोजिट एंट्री होती हैं, यानी अकाउंट्स विल पुट देयर इफेक्ट ऑन आइदर साइड. देन सेवेंथ, यदि मान लो कुछ बैलेंस बच गया रिडीम करने के बाद, सबको पैसा चुका दिया, पैसा बच गया सिंकिंग फंड में, तो उसको जनरल फंड में हम ट्रांसफ़र करेंगे, जनरल रिजर्व में. तो उसके लिए क्या होगा, डिबेंचर सिंकिंग फंड अकाउंट इज़ डेबिटेड टू जनरल रिजर्व, और जब उनको रिडीम करना है डिबेंचर्स को, तो डिबेंचर अकाउंट इज़ डेबिट टू बैंक. ये तुम्हारे पास एंट्रीज़ की हो जाएगी. तो you learn all these entries and work out the solutions related to this. So this is the end of chapter number 10, redemption of debentures. You remember, until and unless you learn the journal entries well, you cannot work out the questions. तो सबसे पहला काम तुम्हारा रहेगा, जर्नल एंट्रीज़ को अपने फेयर नोटबुक में लिखो, उनको ठीक तरीके से लर्न करो, then you go for numericals. Okay, thank you. And one more thing, we have started Zoom classes for you, and if you have any doubt and you have any query, then we can interact through Zoom classes. So your timings are sent and your timetable is sent to your group. Have a look at it and note the timetable promptly. जो भी आपका टाइम टेबल है उसको ठीक से आप नोट कर लें, and attend the classes so that you can interact me and you can ask me the doubts of this chapter and the chapters which were taught to you in previous months. Okay, thank you. God bless you.